Hi, everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Viber with QR code. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to log into Viber with QR code, first, make sure that you've downloaded Viber application for your PC. Once you have it, click it open. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see this kind of a display over here on the screen. You can use Viber on your computer by scanning this QR code from your mobile device. First, make sure that you already logged into Viber on your mobile phone. Grab a mobile device, and once you're logged into Viber, tap on the More button at the bottom right-hand corner. Now this will open up your profile. You will be able to see a scanner kind of icon at the top right-hand corner right next to the pencil icon. Give it a tap and this will open up your phone's camera. Please the QR code that is available on your desktop in the center of the square on your mobile device like this. Now soon after you do that, you will be able to see this kind of an interface. It means that you have logged into Viber on a desktop in order to synchronize your mobile chat history. Click on the sync button. You also need to approve your sync history on your mobile device. Simply tap on sync from your mobile as well, and you'll be able to log into your Viber and see your chat screen right there. That's how you can easily log into Viber with QR code. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up as soon back as more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.